Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to restore your contacts on Google by mistake if you have deleted all your contacts. For example, these are all my contacts. If I select search and these are all my contacts, and for example if I delete all these contacts, then how do I restore? So it's very easy. Simply go to your settings, and on your settings you can go to Google, and in Google you can straight away go to all services. So here at all services, simply move to the bottom and you can see there is something called backup and restore tab, and here at backup and restore tab simply click on restore contacts. So once you do that, it will start loading and it will also show up all the devices where this email ID had been logged in, and here you can simply press on restore, and this is how you can restore all your contacts in your Google contacts. So friends, this is how you can restore. If by mistake you have deleted all of your contacts, then you can simply go to your settings, Google, all services, and then restore your contacts. This is how you restore. I'm not doing it because I don't have any deleted contacts right now, but if you face this kind of problem, you can go to restore, and it will probably ask if I go for restore, you can see it will ask for your lock screen. Then if you give your lock screen, then your contact will be restored. So friend, that's it. I hope you learned something today interesting. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.